Welcome back. I am Sajina. Today we can see fungal culture media. We have already seen the two categories of fungal culture media in the previous session. Today we can see the third category, enriched and selective media. Enriched and selective media, it is widely used for growing fastidious fungal pathogens and also for selecting the desired fungal pathogen from a mixed culture. Different types of enriched and selective media can be seen. First one is brain heart infusion agar or BHIA, used for growing fastidious and true pathogenic fungi, for example Histoplasma capsulatum, used for primary isolation and is also to study the in vitro conversion of mycelial form to yeast form and vice versa. It is also known as MY shift. Ingredients of the media are brain heart infusion, glucose, L-cysteine hydrochloride, agar and distilled water. This is the liquid media and this is the solid media poured in petri plates. All the ingredients are dissolved by boiling and dispensed into screw-capped bottles, autoclaved at 121 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. The antibiotics added are cycloheximide, chloramphenicol, gentamicin to inhibit the undesired organisms. And the pH it is adjusted to 6.7 and it is cooled after autoclaving in a slanted position so that we will get a slant with 1-inch bud. And it is stored in refrigerator. Second one is cysteine heart and hemoglobin agar. It can be used in place of brain heart infusion agar. Ingredients are dehydrated cysteine heart agar, hemoglobin, distilled water and antibiotics, and can be used for the primary isolation of dimorphic fungi from clinical samples. It can also be used for the in vitro conversion of mycelial to yeast form and vice versa, that is MY shift can be studied using cysteine heart hemoglobin agar. Third one is biphasic medium and is used for recovery of fungal species or fungal pathogens from blood and various body fluids. Here we can see two phases in a single in a single container, that is we can see a solid state and a liquid state in a single container, and this technique it is known as Castaneda's method for growing microorganisms from blood and sterile body fluids. Here BHIA, that is brain heart infusion agar, it is at first sterilized in the bottles and it is kept in a slanting position to obtain a slant. After that, brain heart infusion broth, it is transferred aseptically to cover about 40% of the agar slant. Here we can see the slant it is covered 40% by liquid medium and the remaining 60% it is exposed and can be used with or without antibiotics, and this is the biphasic medium with fungal growth. Fourth one is birdseed agar, also called niger-seed agar or stave agar. Here this is the birdseed agar plant, birdseed plant or niger-seed plant, and this is the seed, and the medium it is mainly used with antibiotics, used for primary isolation of Cryptococcus neoformans. Colonies, they are mainly appearing brown in color. This is because Cryptococcus neoformans, it is producing an enzyme phenol oxidase, and this enzyme oxidizes caffeic acid in the medium to melanin, and it is also known as phenol oxidase test, and this test is positive only for Cryptococcus neoformans because other yeast they are not producing the enzyme, so they do not produce the color. In order to ensure the test is true or in order to avoid false positive results, we can place an SDA control simultaneously to ensure that the colonies are not producing dark pigment naturally. The main ingredients are niger seed extract, glucose, diphenyl solution, agar and distilled water, and diphenyl it is inhibiting the saprotropic fungus. Autoclave and dispense into tubes, and other media which can be used are caffeic acid agar, mustard seed agar and tobacco agar for identification and differentiation, and also to study the pigment production by Cryptococcus neoformans. And this is the colonies formed in the medium. Fifth one is sunflower seed agar. Sunflower seed agar, it is mainly used with antibiotics and it is also used for the primary isolation of Cryptococcus. also called Pal's medium, and is named after the discoverer Dr. Mahendra Pal, and the light to dark brown colonies will be formed in the medium. Here we can see the colonies, and the medium contain the pulverized sunflower seed, chloramphenicol, agar and distilled water, autoclave and dispense into plates, and the pH of the medium it is adjusted to 5.6. Next one is DRBC agar. It's a modification of Rose Bengal chloramphenicol agar. The additional ingredient that is dichloran and sterilized by autoclaving, mix well and pour into sterile petri dishes, and the medium it looks very beautiful and it appears in pink color and is used for the isolation of Cryptococcus species, and it can also be used for differentiation of Candida species. Seventh one is blood agar. It can be used to grow a few fungal pathogens. We have already heard the preparation of blood agar. The ingredients are agar base, sheep blood and distilled water, and this is the blood agar plates, and it is mainly used for the isolation of Histoplasma capsulatum and Blastomyces dermatitis from clinical specimens. Eighth one is Lowenstein-Jensen medium or LJ medium. We have already heard LJ medium or studied LJ medium in the previous classes, and LJ medium it's a selective medium for the isolation of various Mycobacterium species, and this LJ medium can be used for the isolation of actinomycetes also, because actinomycetes they are acting or they are the connecting link between bacteria and fungus, because they are sharing the properties of both fungus and bacteria. So this LJ media can be used for the isolation of actinomycetes, mainly Nocardia and Madrella species. And the ingredients of the medium are coagulated hen's egg, mineral salt solution, asparagine and malachite green. Malachite green is added to the medium not only for the color of the medium, but it is acting as a selective agent which is inhibiting the undesired microorganisms. Ninth one is dermatophytous medium. It is used for the presumptive identification of dermatophytes in hair, nail and skin specimens. Most species produce red color due to the liberation of alkaline metabolites. That is the indicator added. It is phenol red solution. It's a pH indicator, and when there is a change in pH, the color of the indicator will changes. Here the pH is increased so that the color of the medium changes from yellow to red. In the picture we can see the yellow colored medium and the pink colored medium, and the pink or red colored medium, and the red color it is produced by the increase in pH, resulting in the color change of the pH indicator from yellow to red. The ingredients are phyton, dextrose, phenol red solution, 8-normal HCl, actidione, gentamicin, agar and distilled water, and the incubation temperature it is 25 degrees Celsius, that is room temperature it is preferred. Then there are some disadvantages for this medium, that is it does not inhibit the saprotropic fungi, so they will overgrow and they can produce color change of the medium, resulting in false positive results. The true pathogens such as Histoplasma and Blastomyces are not inhibited, leading to color change of the medium. 10th one is dermatophyte identification medium. It is used for the presumptive identification of dermatophytes. It contains dextrose, neopeptone, cycloheximide, penicillin, streptomycin and bromocresol purple. Incubation period that is 37 degree Celsius, that's the incubation temperature, and less false positives than dermatophyte test medium. On growth, color of the medium it changes from greenish blue to purple, and the incubation period or time is 24 to 48 hours at 37 degrees Celsius. Medium it can be used for the primary isolation of many dimorphic fungus. 11th one is Sepac-Dox agar. It's a synthetic medium. It contains sodium nitrate. It is a sole source of nitrogen. It is used for subculturing of filamentous fungus. It is used for the identification of Aspergillus and Penicillium. Ingredients are sodium nitrate, dipotassium hydrogen phosphate, potassium chloride, magnesium sulfate, ferrous sulfate, glucose, agar and distilled water. These are the plates showing various filamentous fungal colonies and appears very beautifully in the Sepac-Dox agar. 12th one is PYG agar medium. Peptone yeast extract glucose agar or broth, that is PYG agar medium. It can be existing as solid media or liquid media. Ingredients are bactopeptone, yeast extract and glucose. And if it is a solid media, we have to add agar. Then pH it is 7.2 and the PYG medium appears like this. 13th one is malt extract agar. It can be used in place of SDA because of some features, that is, it can give an early growth of the fungus during primary isolation. It can give sporulation more faster and also useful for maintenance of fungi in mycology laboratories. Ingredients are malt extract, glucose, peptone, agar and distilled water. All the ingredients are mixed, boiled and autoclaved. Oatmeal agar, the medium it is enhancing the sporulation in many phaeoid fungi. Phaeoid fungi means these are black fungus or melanin producing fungus, and the ingredients are tomato paste, oatmeal, magnesium sulfate, potassium phosphate, sodium nitrate, agar and distilled water, and the pH it is 5.6, autoclave and dispense in tubes and petri plates, and this is the oatmeal agar. Potato dextrose agar or PDA, it's a plant-based medium. It can be used for stimulation of sporulation, primary isolation of fungus, for maintaining stock cultures, and for differentiation of some varieties of dermatophytes on the basis of pigment production. Potato infusion and dextrose, they are promoting the luxuriant growth of the fungus. Morphological description of majority of fungal isolates is given in the medium, and the ingredients are potato, dextrose, agar and distilled water. The medium it is sterilized by autoclaving and can be dispensed in tubes and plates, and this is the PDA media showing showing the colonies of different species of Aspergillus. 16th one is modified Dixon agar. Modified version of Dixon agar is used for the growth of Malassezia species. Malassezia, it is also a fungal species or fungal pathogen which is causing superficial infection in human beings, and it contains malt extract, mycological peptone, ox bile, twin 40, oleic acid, glycerol and agar with chloramphenicol and cycloheximide. And this is the plate showing the growth of Malassezia furfur or Malassezia species. Leeming and Notman agar, it is having a higher recovery rate of Malassezia species and is composed of peptone, glucose, yeast extract, ox bile, glycerol monostearate, twin 60, olive oil and agar, and this is the plate showing the growth of Malassezia. That's all about the fungal culture media, and here, thank you.